At All Kinds of Minds, we have spent the past 10 years uncovering the mystery of the brain and learning. We are experts in translating the science of learning into tools and programs for teachers to use in their classrooms. Our programs are research-based, informative, proven, trusted. Sounds interesting, right? But what does it mean? It means we have developed a framework based on research from the fields of neuroscience, cognitive science, and psychology. The framework represents brain functions that affect learning and provides teachers with an effective system for describing and organizing learning strengths and weaknesses. Hard to imagine how it all works? We think the best way to understand All Kinds of Minds' approach is to see it in action. Let's take a look at one student, Derek, an 8th grader in science class. Derek enjoys science, especially the lab experiments. He's able to accurately explain science concepts, often helping other kids in his project group. Despite his enthusiasm for the subject, Derek's lab reports are always a mess, disorganized, and lacking scientific vocabulary he so easily used during class. Recently, some experiments have gone awry because Derek got the steps out of order. This may sound like an ordinary kid. Most teachers would describe Derek as impulsive and careless, a student who just rushes through his work and socializes with friends. But a teacher using All Kinds of Minds' lens sees things a little differently, and would point out Derek's strong social cognition and higher-order cognition, citing his ability to collaborate well with peers and grasp new concepts easily. This teacher would also note Derek's weaknesses in temporal sequential ordering and expressive language, pointing to his recent experiment debacle and the problems with his lab report as evidence. They would then leverage Derek's higher-order strengths to improve his understanding of the scientific process and write about his results. The teacher is not just using the science of learning to understand Derek as a learner, but is also applying a model for problem solving. Observe the behavior, analyze the breakdown point, implement a targeted strategy. All Kinds of Mind programs offer educators knowledge and tools that can be applied across all grade levels, subjects, and school environments. Our approach complements many other tools and programs that educators, schools, and districts are currently using. Our collection of content, products, and tools are modular, flexible, and can stand alone or be packaged to meet a variety of needs and audiences. We offer online, on-site, or blended learning options. We're about more than just building tools for educators. We're about building schools where there is equality for all learners. We're problem solvers, dedicated, visionary. We are the people who will help change the face of education.